Hi everybody, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. Today I'm going to be making savoury pancakes with baked beans and cheese. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I'll be using some cooking oil, about 300ml of milk, some grated cheese, 2 eggs, about 3/4 cup of plain flour, some baked beans and some Worcester sauce. Okay, first step is to beat the eggs. Then I'll add some of this flour. I'll put about most of it in and just give it a good stir. Stir that in with the egg. I can put some more in there. Probably put the whole lot in. And we just want to combine it all. There you go. And then we gradually add the milk into that. So just start with a little bit. And beat that in. And go again. So we want to make sure the batter is nice and smooth. So we'll keep whisking that until we get rid of all those lumps. There we go, that's looking good. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt into this, magic ingredient. Okay, I think that's the right kind of thickness. Maybe add just a little bit more milk. So for the milk there, I used about 250ml of milk altogether for that. Okay, time to get this cooked up. This is the first time I've cooked pancakes on an induction hob. Never done that before. And the first time I've cooked them in a square frying pan. So I'm going to get it quite hot and put some cooking oil in there. The whole of the pan to be coated in the oil. So this frying pan has been on for about 2 minutes now, getting nice and hot. It's on number 7. This goes up to 9, this induction hob. So we're going to go for it. We're going to just give the batter one last mix. Well, you can see the steam coming off the smoke coming off the bottom of the pan there. That's good. That's nice and hot. I want to try and get more oil in the middle there, but there we go. I might need to turn this down a bit. We'll just see. It's going to be a funny shaped pancake, this. We'll put a bit more batter on it. See if let's just do a square one. That's fine. So we'll just leave that for a few minutes. I have a feeling that it's going to be better cooked in the middle here than it is on the edges. It smells like it's, ready to flip on the middle, but on the edges it just doesn't look ready. So I'm going to try and turn it now. I'm a bit concerned that it's maybe burning a bit in the middle there. Oh. I'm getting some movement there, that's good. Now I'm not going to try and flip it. Sorry folks. I don't think I've got enough do that. So I'm just gonna see if I can flip it this way. Certainly seems to be. Here we go. Way, cool. That's okay. I think I maybe caught that just about in time. But what I like to do is get the beans on in the middle, like this. A bit of juice as well. Spread them out a bit. Maybe a few more in there. And then your cheese on top. I might need to grate a bit more cheese than what I've got here, because these are going to be quite big pancakes. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need to grate some more cheese, but that's okay. And then the magic ingredient after the salt is the Worcester sauce, folks. Just a little sprinkle of Worcester sauce on those beans and that cheese. And then what we do is flip it over. She says, oh my word, there must be an easier way of doing it. There we go, we're flipping it over now. You can see it's starting to burn a little bit there, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit, that frying pan. Cooking on that side. So we're going to flip it again. Oh, yep. It's going a little bit black there. Turn it down again. So obviously the heat from the induction hob is more focused on a smaller area and it's much fiercer, so it's quite tricky to get an even spread on your pancake. And this is the first one. Of course we'll be making another one after this. There we go. So that's the first pancake done. Now I need to grate some cheese for the second one. Okay, pancake number 2. I'm going to put it on number 5 this time. I'm going to have it on a lower heat. Okay, so it's been cooking for about a minute. So I'm just going to put the rest of the batter in. Not quite as much here, but I don't know if it will reach. Make it reach. So this one's going to be a little bit thinner, and we'll see how it goes on that lower heat. Right, and it's time to flip it. Whoa, that's a better colour in the middle there. Yeah, I think 5 is maybe a better number to do. So we'll get the beans on, like we did before. Bean juice. And the cheese. And some Worcester sauce. I'm going to fold this over. Oops. She says confidently. Maybe if we go across like that diagonal, because we've got a bit missing there, so I'll just let that cook for a little longer. Well, this is going to be a different shape. Flip that over. Whoa, that was well cooked there. Okay, that's smelling really good, so I'm going to turn off the frying pan and pop this onto a plate. There we go. A little bit there as well. It's pancakes. Okay, so here we go. savoury pancake with baked beans and cheese and Worcester sauce. Let's try a little bit, see how it goes. Mmm. Oh, it's lovely. Really good. Everything's cooked properly, nice and hot. Mmm. Lovely. And with savoury pancakes, you know, you can have, say, just cheese or cheese and tomatoes. You can maybe put some ham in it, cheese, tomato and ham. And different meats. You could experiment with all sorts of different combinations for your savoury pancake. So yeah, love this. Really good. Bon appetit, everyone.